Western Digital Logistics Control Tower. The time is now. Let us have a look at certain facts relating to Western Digital Transportation Management at a glance. Western Digital spends about $220 million in freight expenses among HGST, WDC, and SanDisk business units. All modes of transportation, like air, ocean, LTL, full truckload, and parcel, are being used. More than 8,000 shipments are transacted every day for all three business units. Inbound and outbound freight management is managed by different local teams in Asia, Europe, and USA. In the same region, there is different freight management team for SanDisk, HGST, or WDC. Service operations or warranty have their own separate team. Without going any deeper, in simple words, different teams are doing the same type of functions for the various groups and different business units. Imagine that you have an outbound consignment moving from Thailand via Amsterdam to Los Angeles. In each of these locations, you have separate outbound teams handling freight planning, carrier assignments, and tracking the shipments. This means that each location has multiple teams, multiplied by 3 sites, which gives us a large number of teams working in multiple locations and time zones, all managing and monitoring the same single shipment. In the real world, Western Digital is facing the challenge of tracking thousands of shipments, moving towards hundreds of destinations across many different time zones across the world, all at the same time. Since we are operating in reality, things do happen in the life of a shipment, such as delays in transit, lost shipments, damaged, missed, or delayed pickups, causing downstream chain reactions, potentially missing delivery deadlines that can cause decreased customer satisfaction. Further, lack of centralized visibility for the entire inbound, outbound, and return logistics, coupled with separate operating philosophies, add to the operating complexities of the current model. In short, being the largest storage company in the world, we need a better solution. How can Western Digital conduct shipment planning, execution, and carrier management with one single team instead of around 20 teams working in multiple time zones and locations? The answer to this question lies with Logistics Control Tower, a software-based solution which addresses all your issues related to central freight planning, shipment execution, carrier assignment, and freight movement visibility across countries and modalities. The most interesting part regarding a logistics control tower is that a location halfway around the world can cover operational needs while the other half of the world is sleeping. That is the reason why it has often been said that the sun never sets for the organization which uses multiple control towers in different locations. The heart of the control tower is an information system hub known as Oracle Transportation Management, supported by a set of detailed decision-making rules for each function, like routing, carrier selection, transportation mode selection, and a trained team of highly skilled operators. The time required to respond for disruptions is extremely critical. The control tower can project a clear view of which products and in what quantity are being sent in which pallets, and those pallets that have been put on which carriers. In real time, the Logistics Control Tower monitors can quickly see which shipments are in trouble and need urgent attention. This allows for proactive shipment management and communication with all interested parties. In the end, the efficient use of Logistics Control Tower will result in proactive event monitoring, reduced cost, improved visibility, improved efficiency, better control and decision-making, and most importantly, better customer satisfaction. Logistics Control Tower, a virtual eye for your entire logistics network.